Hello and welcome back to another video of Fincept Terminal. In this video, I will be demonstrating you the latest version of Fincept Terminal, which is 0.1.3, but still we haven't rolled out yet. But I'm making this video because I haven't made a video on 0.1.2 version which we are having. So we have released 0.1.2 version 5 days ago, but I forgot to make video on this. So at present I'm making the video, and we have been pushing very much very huge updates in 0.1.3 but not in 2. So keep that in mind, and this is the repo. And if you want to download Fincept Terminal, there are always few ways you can download that. Like you can go to release section and just download the Windows build version, or you can simply go to product.fincept.in and get the latest build for your OS. Currently we are supporting only Windows. Soon we will be releasing Mac and Linux versions as well, but with Python you can simply just install in anything like Mac or Linux. So yeah, so let's start the demonstrating the video. And one good thing which happened is we got 14 stars. In the previous video we were having 8 stars. So yeah, a decent amount of growth in 5 days maybe, or a week. So let's start the video, and here I will be showing about the Fincept Terminal. And let's start from the first itself, and in this I will be writing Fincept start. That's the main command for starting the terminal. And here it is asking me for the update. So in the latest version 0.1.3 we had been pushing auto update feature. So you can just keep this feature, like if you want you can auto update, enable the auto update, and it will auto update the terminal whenever we push an update from our side. So currently I don't want to update because I have the latest version itself, so we have why to update. So this is the UI, and this is the main menu which we were having, and we have been adding many options, but in this video specific I'll be showing about the robo advisor feature which we have been developing in past few days. So robo advisor is on number 16th, and I will be writing 16th, and it will be redirecting me to a menu which is create your own portfolio. So I can create portfolio in any country possible. So let's create for now, like for example, let's create for India. So India is on number 5, and I just wrote number 5, and it will be asking me for sector. Like I need to construct my portfolio of multiple sector. Then it will be showing me a list of sector which are available in India. So I'll be selecting basic materials. I can select multiple sectors. Here I have write multiple for multiple sectors. So first I have selected basic materials. Second I will be selecting communication services. And if I just, like, let's say I just want to construct the portfolio for just two sector itself. So I will be selecting the 2 sector, and then I will be writing next. So it will be bringing me to industry section. Like inside the sector there are a list of industries in which you can create your own portfolio. So in basic materials we have around 10 industries. You can select multiple industries, but let's say I just for now we will be selecting 2 industries. So agriculture inputs and aluminium. So these are the 2 industries, and simply we will be writing next if you want to move to the next sector. So now it is showing me industries in communication services. So I'll be simply selecting one, and which is advertising agency, broadcasting agency, and diversified telecom services. So let's in communication services we have selected 3 industries. So let's click on next, and now it is gathering all the stock data and from all the industries. So we have 75 stocks from 5 industries it is showing, and it is performing some type of technical and fundamental analysis at this point. We will be not going in the depth at this point because we haven't optimized the process yet. It is running some benchmark, and if that company passes the benchmark, it will be showing in our final portfolio. So it has been creating doing all this stuff, and yeah. So we just need to wait for some few minutes, and yeah, we have currently 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have a 10 stock list, and it is showing all the PE ratios, SMA 50, SMA 200, and current price, what's the fundamental score, technical score. So scores are given out of 10, and it has given me all the companies which has score out of 10. So yeah, out of 75 stocks we have 10 stocks, and now it is telling me that do I need an EI feedback. I told yeah, I just need the feedback. So yep. it has been now the portfolios are processed, and it has given me a lot of insight. Their portfolio is heavily lean towards the agriculture and chemical stock, yeah, like, and especially fertilizer companies. This indicates a specific investment strategy likely driven a sector specific growth potential. So you can always generate this type of AI content, and now it is telling me to do you want to finalize and save your portfolio? I told yes. So I need to give a name to this portfolio, and let's say chemical stocks. Now it will be auto saving the whole portfolio, and we can further access it from our portfolio menu, which is on number 10th. So let's go on 10th and view all portfolios. So here you can see our portfolio chemical stocks here. So let's go to this portfolio, chemical stocks, and it is asking me for country. We have been selecting India at this point, and it is telling me like I can, these are the list of options in which I can crawl. So let's scroll on number 2, which is view current portfolio, and it will be showing me all the stocks which we are having in my portfolio. Let's analyze this portfolio. I simply need to input number 3, and it will be giving me a bunch of analysis like cumulative return. Oh my god, we have an annual return of 72.02%, which is great at this point. Like, these are the 1 year back tested results, and max breakdown is 11.06%, which is decent. Like, if you compare with the growth, it is nothing. So yeah, at last it is telling me, do you want to export the result? I said no, I don't want to export the results. And yeah, this is the pretty much the new feature which we have implemented. We have implemented many features, like you can pretty much access any of the menu item which you want, advanced technicals or maybe anything. Let's go for advanced technicals because this is an also new feature which we have implemented. So I'll be selecting the countries, like I will be selecting the stock which I want to analyze, and let's say we are being analyzing for India. So basic materials, and maybe number 4 chemicals. So these are the number of stocks which we have got, and let's say I want a more specific info of a stock, so I will simply type yes, and let's say I want a stock for DCW Limited, so I just simply write DCW, and it will be giving me a bunch of financials here. So yeah, this is the thing. And let's say it is asking me for export. I say I don't want to export. So would you like to search for more specific stock? No. Okay. Okay. I think there is a slightly problem in this, so it is not displaying correctly. I will update it in the code, but yeah, pretty much all the menus item are working, and you can query through any of this, and simply just go through all the sections and menus by yourself. You can better understand through in your way. So yeah, and you can simply start the repo, and if you like the project, you can start the repo. And thank you for watching the video, and that's it for now. Thank you.